I know you're gonna dig this.
Said you were my lady, and your love was true. But as soon as I turned my back, baby, look what you're going to do. Start speaking at me, using me like a Jew. Now I know the.
All right, you guys, so this is for my girlies who are independent, that don't have a man that will necessarily lives with you, and you want to get stuff done on your own. So this is my 2021 Hyundai Kona, and my headlight went out, and I'm in my garage, y'all, so excuse the mess in the background. My headlight went out on the passenger side. So I went to Advanced Auto Parts yesterday and I got me a new bulb. And it's the Sylvania Basic H7 bulb that you're gonna have to get. So that's the bulb. I have on gloves because you don't want to get the bulb dirty when you do the installation. So I actually have this tool right here, but I didn't use it. This is the cap that's see if I can show it to you. It's right here in the front. This cap was over the headlight thing, so you want to turn it counterclockwise like so, like that, and inside of here is the actual bulb. So now I have to get in there, turn that counterclockwise, and take that out, and I'll show you guys in a minute.
1,000 years later.
All right, guys, so after 5,000 years later, I was able to get this undone. Now you want to take this out, and it fits just like a socket. So I'm going to take that out, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is how the old one looks, and it has gone bad. So I don't care about touching the top of it. So the new one, I'm gonna see if I can't sit this camera up some kind of way to get it good for y'all. Hold on.
1,000 years later.
And child, after 5,000 more years, I was able to get it in there. Now I gotta turn it until it snaps back into place. And I turned it counterclockwise to get it out. Now, of course, I have to turn it clockwise for it to snap back. Ladies, this is not suggested for a woman. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, it's in there tight. As tight as I can possibly get it. Now I'm gonna put the main cover back on here, which is this. Until it snaps back in. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we're gonna see if this light right here comes on. Give me just a minute. As a matter of fact, I'll try to sit y'all up. Don't you? No. Hold on. Bam. Just like new. And the other side. Bam.
I depend on me. All the women.
Don't tell me what a woman can't do. But I still need a man.